Well, hello everybody. I told you I was going to show you the assembly of the Tucktec kayak. So here it is. Can you believe that this is actually a kayak? It sort of just looks like a blue rolled up burrito, doesn't it? But in fact, this rolls out and folds into a remarkably effective kayak. So here I am going to show you how to do that. And this will be my third time doing this. So this is the shoulder strap. This bar here is supposed to go inside, and I keep forgetting, so I just strap it to the outside. So we're gonna first take off the shoulder strap, and it becomes the seat strap. Because I'm short, I'm gonna go ahead and cinch it up short. I found that out. You won't really do that once you've got it on the seat. I like it pretty short. Okay. Put that aside. Then we have the Velcro strap, and that strap also becomes part of the seat fixator. This is the back. This has got a little free-floating rudder, I should say. And we're just gonna unroll it. Like so. Alright, so the first thing you want to do are the ends, and this folds inwards, like that. Make sure it folds in, and then this I call the band-aid, because it just straps across and holds it in place for me. That's the first one. And then, I don't know, maybe because I like symmetry, I do the other side. Same thing, goes in, and then you just let this come down. That's the fin. Make sure it's not caught up. And then affix your little, what I call the band-aid strap. Like so. Alright. That's your seat, and then this is a little piece that adds a little stability if you want it. Now, the next part, there is a side with a little thumb strap. So you want to grab that thumb strap. And you don't want to work from behind, just work to the side. And then pull this over. Like I said, I'm from Texas, so I think of a burrito. This piece just slides right in there. Okay? And then you just fold this over and rotate that. Here's your cotter pin. Snap the cotter pin and make sure you're snapping just to the middle. Don't put it all the way down to the big area, just to the middle. And there you go, that's the front. Let's go back to the back and do the same thing. So on this side, my strap, my little thumb strap. You're able to get that? Okay, so I'm just grabbing a hold of that. Line up, push it in. Fold it over, push down on that, and rotate this around. It's actually a pretty ingenious design. There's the cotter pin, and snap that cotter pin in. Okay, so some people seem to get confused about this part, but I thought it was pretty straightforward. I'll do this one here. So if you just think of it going in, once again, everything pretty much folds in. So grab the lever, push it in, like so, and then just push that down, rotate it around. Now this one doesn't have a cotter pin, and you'll see why. It's because we use this elastic band. I'm going to do that to the other side. So once again, think inward, so it's going to kind of pull towards you, like so, and then just line that up, push that down, rotate it around. Easy peasy. So we've got another one here. Same concept. In. nice close up of that. Okay. And now this one. So I'm going to pull it in, line this up, and go like that. No cotter pin on these. So we have 4 of those and 2 with cotter pins. Believe it or not, we're almost done. So now we've got this foam piece here, and that just protects your arm and your paddle. Just put that puppy on there. Then there's an elastic band on the back side. It's affixed to the kayak. You pull it over and put it here. Now at first I was confused because I actually don't know what these are for, but they're everywhere. I'll figure that out one day, but they don't go here. They go on here, and then you can see that keeps this from rotating, so that's why you don't need a cotter pin. So grab the elastic on this one, pull it up and over and around. We'll do the same thing on this side. Seat strap on the inside. Let's see, elastic band. And I will show you that this does adjust. So if you need a little better angle for some reason, you can adjust that. To say that usually everything goes easier when you're not on film. When you're on film, sometimes you run into a little snafu. Okay, but so far, no snafus. How about that? Okay, now we're going to put the seat in. To me, the seat takes a little bit longer time than the actual installation. Now, if I'm not going to put this in, but if you wanted to put this in, it goes in the back. It's just a piece of PVC pipe with foam, and there's a knob here, and you put it on the knob, and then you pull this apart and you fix it to the other side. And I couldn't get that, so I had to undo the latch and put it on and then redo the latch, and that's perfectly fine. I haven't ridden without this, so I don't know what it feels like without it, but it's totally doable to put this on. Just undo this latch, open it up, pop it on, then redo the latch. Okay, now the seat. So the first step on the seat, you saw that I cinched this up because I'm short, and you're going to just feed it through the back of the seat here. And at first I was like, I was never going to fit, but you just push that away. Right. And so, and then this one through that side. Like so. Now, I seem to you'll understand why it needs to be shorter once we get it in there. Taller, maybe not. But okay. Then you see these little notchy things here? Right here and here. So those go on that. But before you do that, goes like that. And if you want to paddle forward, then it goes like that. Now you know this is for real, eh? I'm not modifying this. Thank you. Thanks to my videographer behind the camera. Okay. So before you put the seat on, you see these little tabs here. So you're going to feed the strap through that, fuzzy side down. 1. 2. Okay. Now you have a choice here, apparently. I guess it can attach to these two, but I haven't actually been successful doing that. You want to center it and then just try to catch those notches on the back. I found that I have more control with it in the back. Oh, so I'm there. I'm already snapped in. So that's, I'm going to go ahead and cinch this strap down. And I thought this would get in my way or that I would feel it on my legs and it would bother me, but I did not at all. And I thought this was going to be really flimsy, but it's not. So they say to shorten these down all the way. They have their own video, so you might want to compare notes. And then you just snap here. And of course, we're not going to be in that position, but you get it snapped on. And then you can just let out to a position where you feel nicely supported. And voila! There we go. So, I mean, how simple is that? It's got a nice handle here. Pick it up, drag it to where you want to go, hit the water. Don't forget your paddle. Have a blast. Thanks for joining me.